I figured out a way to hide my plate. Just put this on the back. Alright everybody, listen up. This video is sponsored by beavers. Yes, beavers. You know the little animals that like build like dams and block the waterways and shit? Yes, this video is sponsored by them. So yeah. It's a game I like to play. It's how many leaves you can grab while you're riding. Let's grab this one. No, I didn't. That one, no. Oh fuck, I suck. What the hell? Oh. Wait, is that Santa? You know Santa like comes around on like the fire truck on Christmas and like throws bags of lollies out to kids. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much